name is Despina Savvidou. I come from Athens, Greece. I am a licensed tour guide in Greece for as long as I can remember myself. I am the co-owner of the Athens Walking Tours, the first green activity in Athens. We do historical tours and culinary tours. Our culinary tours have a great success because we do food tours. We take people to the central market of Athens, which is really great. We do cooking classes. We teach them how to cook the basic Greek dishes. If there is something particular that I want to learn personally, because I'm responsible for the guides in the business, we use more than 65 guides and another 10 or 15 escorts in our groups. It's the other people from the office who are going to take things from the Arival, not me personally, because I'm an educated digitally.